Hey friends, sharing some Monday deep thoughts from Deanna's garden today. There's a bird, there's going to be some barking in a moment. I know that you have heard the saying, success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. And I also want you to think about success leaving clues and frustration leaving clues. And when we have experienced success or frustration or failure, the example today is not about failure, it is about frustration versus really successful day. I want you to spend some time reflecting. If you are looking to really kind of up your game and get after the things that you're wanting, or just live live a life that is as healthy and well and fulfilling and all the things that you're after, we've got to spend some time reflecting. So here is the experience I'm having on this Monday afternoon. Last Monday was a really frustrating day. I was spinning my wheels. I didn't get done nearly what I needed to and wanted to. And then this Monday actually feels completely different. Moving the needle on a number of things, days moving along really tickety-boo. We're, eating well, all of those things that tend to go off the rails when, we're having a bit of a frustrating day. Sometimes we just move through the day and we don't even think about why we're dealing with the frustration or why we're dealing with the successful feeling. So something to think about. I know very well why today is going really well and last week didn't. There's a couple of things for me. One, last Monday, we had just a change in family schedule. My husband had to start work earlier, and that's fine. There's nothing I can do about that. That was a day that had to be, and that's fine. So I have to let that go because I have no control over that. What I do have control over were two things, and these are key in time management practices that I teach my clients, that I use myself. One is Sunday is a critical day in terms of setting your week up for success. What I do every Sunday, and when I don't do it, I feel it during the week. And this might feel sort of funny. Actually, both of these examples might seem funny to you. One, it is about making sure that I have organized my week best I can in my calendar and put my laundry away. Yeah? Part of that piece of getting the laundry put away is that I set out an outfit for each day. So in the morning, things run smoothly. There's not a heck of a lot of time. And I want to prioritize about 20 minutes to myself in the peace and quiet in the morning. Those are things that I really need. Last Sunday, I didn't take the time to organize, the clothes I needed for the week. And that impacted Monday morning, along with a different shift in our morning routine. Second, I did not hold firm on priorities and boundaries. This is what's going to make you laugh. The priorities and the boundaries especially were actually to do with these little critters, with my dogs. Because last Monday, they were a little bit wild, as they are. They're young, they're 1 and 2, and they were a little bit wild. And let me be clear, they get lots of activity. They get walked a lot, they're out in the backyard a lot. But they just kept asking to go out, they kept asking to play, and I kept stopping my work and attending to them. Not being really careful of the boundaries, like I'm setting today: morning walk, mid-morning play outside, after lunch walk, right? They get lots of activity, and it's really sort of on mom's calendar, so that in between all of that, I am making use of my time. So what are the things that are really key for you? That's what I want you to ask. Ask yourself, is on a day that's gone really well, things have moved the way you want them to, what did you do or didn't you do to ensure that? And then also those frustrating days, take that and learn from it. What did or didn't you do that really led to the day feeling really frustrated? And what do you have control over, right? If you can't change or control that particular thing, then let it go. I can't seem to change or, control that the dogs keep ripping the leaves off of the trees. Anyway, so I really want you to move mindfully through your days, whether it's a successful day, whether it's a frustrating day, because that is going to leave clues for you to move forward in the way that you want. Have a fabulous day, and thanks for joining me on this Deep Thoughts from Deanna's Garden on this Monday.